Hi everyone, it's Paola. Welcome back to my channel. Art and graphic design, that's what we do here. Today's video, we're going to be getting into some poster design, but it's not just regular posters. I'm going to be utilizing some AI images. I'm going to be making typography posters, and it's going to be Taylor Swift themed. I love Taylor Swift so much, and I'm really excited about her new album, Midnights. And yeah, I just thought it'd be a fun time to make some posters just based off her music and lyrics and stuff. So let's get into it. Okay, so to create these posters, I'm going to be actually making images for the background using AI just because I'm having so much fun with it, and I really feel like it can add to a lot of our designs. So the first one I'm going to do is based off of Mirror Ball because I love that song, but also I really like the imagery and I feel like it'll work for this kind of type poster. I'm gonna look up blurry photo of a mirror ball and see what comes up. Okay, so it's already giving me exactly what I need and what I'm interested in, so I actually really love this. Let's download a couple and then continue on in making it. So I'm going to be making these in Photoshop, so I have an 18x24 poster size. So the imagery for this is really AI, and then I'm going to be making this type-based. So we're gonna pick a lyric from the song Mirror Ball and put it on the poster. So let's decide where we want this image to sit on the page. I'm not sure if I should do I'll show you every version of yourself tonight or when I break it's in a million pieces. I think we're gonna do million pieces one. I feel like that's like a little bit sad, but let's go for it. Sorry if you can hear the construction, but as you can see here, Desire Pro has like a million glyphs that you can use to make the letters a lot more exciting and just like beautiful. Okay, so for this part of the project, I used Desire Pro and Helvetica. So I used Helvetica because the new Midnights Taylor Swift cover is Helvetica, or a version of a typeface that looks really similar. I think it is related to Helvetica in a way, or it is Helvetica exactly. So that's why I chose these two to work with, and why I chose Helvetica to go for all of the posters that I'm going to be creating. I literally just had to take a break because of how loud the construction was, but okay, let's get back into it. Okay, so I'm really loving this poster, and we're going to add a paper texture over top. So I'm going to go into Filter Gallery and add a bit of texture. As you can see right there, there's a little bit of like relief in this, and I really love how that looks. And I'm just gonna add it to every part of the design. So I'm actually going to add a piece in here that says Taylor Swift Mirror Ball, so we have like the name of the song on the poster. So for the part that has the words Taylor Swift and the title, I am putting a glyph in between, a dot, and I'm using Helvetica again just because I want to keep it consistent. I'm also going to be bringing in a rounded rectangle around it. And I think that looks great. So there's that one. Let's move on and do another poster. So again, we are making another 18x24, and we're gonna go with kind of that same theme to make it kind of a series maybe. Like we could continue this and make even more. I'm thinking for the next poster we should do I can go anywhere I want, just not home, from My Tears Ricochet. I love that line so much, and I just feel like it would be perfect for this. So in the AI generator, we're going to do a moody, blurry photo, just kind of keeping that same theme. Okay, maybe we shouldn't do a neighborhood street because it is looking a little bit suburbia feeling. So maybe let's do like a tree-lined rural road. Ooh, okay, so I really love this one. So for the second poster, the construction outside my apartment was very, very loud. So I'm doing a voiceover and you can just kind of work with me, sit with me, design with me, and I thought it would be a fun and relaxing time. So bringing in the picture, I brought it into the same width as the other one, and to make these posters consistent and look like they work in a series, I wanted to keep the same background color, use that same paper texture, make sure that the photos kind of have the same aesthetic, and then use the same typeface. So I utilized Helvetica in here, but I did use another typeface for the other parts of the poster. And for this one, I really liked centering it and putting the image at the bottom, and I just feel like it brings something new to it. So I just played around with the type, and this one is called Temeraire. It's a really pretty typeface, especially the italic of it, and I think it works really well with the Helvetica font. So then again, just to keep it cohesive, it's a lot of copy and paste from the first design, and I brought in the title and just changed it to the title of this song, and it was a little bit longer, so I expanded everything and just made it fit on the page in a cohesive way. I'm so happy with how these are looking. Am I making more? You bet I am. Should I make an entire series for the whole album? I might. It might be on my Instagram. I'm not sure yet. Guys, this is just so much fun. But yeah, I'm loving how these turned out, and I hope you enjoyed this. I did. And here is my last poster that I actually have created. I haven't created all of them. I haven't made like a whole series, but I do like it. This one, I'm not sure if I love as much. I do like the image I used because I love the song 7. So I decided to do the Just Like a Folk Song, Our Love Will Be Passed On. I think that is such a beautiful lyric and I wanted to use it, but I don't know if I love my design on it, but yeah, let me know your thoughts. It's such a fun song. Well, not a fun song, but it's my favorite song. So yeah, it's definitely a depressing one, but what a folklore isn't? So yeah, I feel like I want to expand and do more folklore, so let me know if you want to see it. And here are the 3 poster designs. This was such a fun project and I love how they turned out. Okay guys, so that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, please give it a like, helps my channel. Comment down below what other projects you want to see me do, maybe more music related or something, I don't know. I really like these smaller projects. It's just really fun. So yeah, okay, let me know and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! You